I've always been skeptical about online IQ tests. You know, the ones they pop up everywhere promising to reveal your genius level in 5 minutes, only to give you some inflated score that means absolutely nothing. So when I came across MyIQ.com claiming to offer legitimate Mensa-style testing, I had to see if this was actually different or just another scam. MyIQ.com isn't just another random quiz site throwing numbers at you. It's a comprehensive self-knowledge platform that goes way beyond basic IQ testing. While the main attraction is their professionally designed IQ assessment, they built something much more complete for anyone serious about understanding themselves better. Let's start with the core IQ test itself. It's a carefully crafted 25-question assessment that takes around 15 minutes to complete. What makes this fundamentally different from those garbage tests you see everywhere is it's actually modeled after official Mensa assessments. You're testing real cognitive abilities, memory, logic, reaction time, and focus, not just random trivia questions or pattern recognition that means nothing. Once you finish, you don't just get a random number thrown at you with some generic congratulations message. Instead, you receive a comprehensive 15-page analysis that breaks down your percentile ranking, identifies your specific cognitive strengths, and highlights areas where you could realistically improve. It's like getting a detailed roadmap for your brain, showing you exactly where you stand compared to the general population. But here's where MyIQ really stands out from the competition. They offer way more than just IQ testing. You get access to personality assessments, relationship evaluations, and mental wellness tests that actually provide value. Think attachment styles, career personality insights, depression level tests, and hidden strengths discovery. Each test provides structured, actionable feedback you can actually use in your daily life. Your subscription also includes 25 plus brain training games, over 150 intelligent puzzles, 20 plus hours of expert video content, and 300 plus educational lessons. It's basically like having a complete personal development library at your fingertips, accessible on your phone, tablet, or computer, with seamless syncing across devices. The pricing structure is pretty reasonable too. You can try everything for 7 days with just a $1 trial, which is honestly a steal considering what you get access to. After that trial period, it moves to a subscription model that gives you full access to all tests, tools, and ongoing content updates. So, is MyIQ.com actually worth it? If you're genuinely curious about your cognitive abilities and want insights that go beyond just intelligence, covering personality, relationships, and mental wellness too, this platform delivers real, measurable value. The $1 trial makes it essentially risk-free to test out. I put the link in the description if you want to check it out yourself. Let me know in the comments what your experience is like. Thanks for watching.